Hey guys, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, here to guide you through this week's exciting journey. So with that, let's dive in. Our Discord community has reached 3,644 members. If you haven't joined yet, now's the perfect time to join in the conversation and help shape the future of technology. In social media news, we recently shared a heartwarming moment from our Pinata retreat last week. It was a joyous occasion, bringing together all of our pinnies at the Pinata HQ. The retreat was not just fun, but a testament to our strong and supportive team. For Powered by Pinata this week, we are spotlighting Farcaster. They're a visionary company aiming to revolutionize the metaverse. Farcaster's mission is to create a boundaryless virtual world where everyone can play, create, and earn. They're focused on making immersive technology accessible, particularly in regions like Southeast Asia. Farcaster Vault, their innovative metaverse platform, connects various services in a central hub, offering tools for finance, gaming, VR, NFTs, e-commerce, and more. This platform empowers businesses and creators while providing users with rewarding and inclusive digital experiences. I'm thrilled to announce a groundbreaking development in the Farcaster authentication. Gone are the days of cumbersome auth processes. Our new managed Farcaster Auth simplifies the authentication journey, letting developers focus on innovation rather than complex auth logic. Additionally, we're rolling out sponsored Farcaster Auth, making it even easier to engage with the Farcaster ecosystem. These features are available with our paid plans designed to enhance your development experience. Today's tip explores how to send casts using the Pinata Farcaster API. While fetching casts might be straightforward, sending them can be daunting. We're here to demystify the process and set you on the path to building your own Farcaster client. Our goal is to make development on Farcaster and IPFS more accessible, and we're committed to improving and simplifying these processes for the community. And that's a wrap on this week's Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more content. But until next time, happy pinning and happy casting. Bye guys.